A for apple. Apple means save. B for ball. Ball means gend. C for cat. Cat means billy. D for duck. Duck means batak. E for elephant. Elephant means hathi. F for fish. Fish means machli. G for guava. Guava means amrud. H for hen. Hen means murgi. I for ice cream. Ice cream means ice cream. J for jug. Jug means jug. K for kite. Kite means patang. L for lotus. Lotus means kamal. M for mango. Mango means am. N for nest. Nest means ghosla.